Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. So in the previous video we'll learn how we can create and insert new elements in the DOM. So in this video let us see how we can remove elements from the DOM. So let us say we want to get rid of the entire list that we are having in our HTML. So we have a couple of ways to do that. One is the remove method. So what I will do is I will grab a reference to the list. So I will say const task list document.querySelector pass UL and press enter, and I will say task list dot remove, and now I will press enter. So you can see the entire list got erased from the DOM. Okay, so what it does is the remove method will basically remove the list from the DOM. This method though is not compatible with your legacy browsers like Internet Explorer, but is supported by all the modern browsers. Now if you want to support this with Internet Explorer as well, we can make use of the knowledge that we gained from the DOM traversal videos. So we can traverse up a level from our current node, which is the unordered list in this case, to find the paint element from the list, which is the main element. And then we can detach the list from it using the remove method, using the removeChild method, okay? And simply pass the list that we want to delete. So let me show you this. I will say task list. Let me find the parent element of the task list. For that I will say parent element, and after that I will say from as you know that task list parent element is the main element. So on the main element I am applying the removeChild method, and I will pass the task list to it. Press enter. Okay, so removeChild is not working. So what is the problem here? Let me see. It says cannot read the property removeChild of null. Okay, I got it. Let me refresh it because we have already used the remove method, so the list does not exist anymore. So I will say const task list document.querySelector pass UL to this, and now let us try this. So I will say task list. I want the parent element, which is the main, as you can see here, okay? And from the parent element, I will say remove the child, then specify which child element or the main element I want to erase. So I will pass the task list, press enter, and now you can see on the fly, we are getting back a UL element. Okay, so let us check. And you can see it got deleted because the removeChild method, it does return us back the element that got deleted. Okay, and you can see on the fly on the DOM, this list is now not there, so it got deleted. So this does work fine. removeChild method is supported by all the browsers, and hence it is the safest way of doing this. So this is all about the videos on DOM traversal, on DOM manipulation, and all the topics that were related to DOM. So from the next video onwards, we will start with arrays and itables. So if you are loving the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Thanks a lot, guys.